In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Wi-Fi call on Android. So in order to do this, first you need to enable Wi-Fi calling. So on your phone, go to your settings. Once you're on your settings here, so we're going to do click on the connections option. So once you're on the connections option here, you will see there's an option called Wi-Fi calling. Tap the switch to turn it on, okay? And it's going to ask you whether you're going to turn on your Wi-Fi calling. Just say turn on, and that will turn on the Wi-Fi calling. This option might vary slightly depending on your phone model, manufacturer, and Android version, but it should be somewhere in the connections. Okay, so just turn that on. And once you have turned that on, so now what you can simply do is connect to a Wi-Fi. So once you're connected to a Wi-Fi, so now what happens is that you can simply go to your contacts or any applications and then tap on it and make a call to someone. So when you make a call to someone, and then once your signal, your cellular signal is low or it's not stable, then what happens? The phone will use Wi-Fi to make the call on your Android. So this is how you do it.